Good morning, my dear students. In the last two chapters, we had learned about the present tense and past tense. Now, today in this session, we'll start with future tense. That is lesson number 8, verbs future tense, the future tense. What do you mean by the future tense? We use the future tense to talk about actions in the future. Future tense has 4 forms: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now you can see over here, shall can be used in place of will with I and we. Children, keep in mind, it is very important point when you change the sentence into future tense. Simple future has 2 different forms, will and be going to. Will is used to say that we offer to do something, to express a promise, a prediction, or what we intend to do. For example, I will do as you say. Be going to is used to express what is likely to happen or to talk about our plans for the future. For example, it is cloudy, it is going to rain. Few more examples: will plus suitable verb, the next game will be difficult to win. Wait, I will drop you at the station. Will drop, will go, will give, will arrive. Will is used for the simple future tense. Negative form of simple future is formed in this ways: will not plus base form of the main verb. For example, I will not come to school tomorrow. Am not, isn't, aren't plus going to plus base form of the main verb. For example, I am not going to come to school tomorrow. I will not come to school tomorrow. I am not going to come to school tomorrow. The question form of simple future is formed in these ways. Now, how you will make the question sentence? Will plus I, you, he, she, it, we, they plus verb. For example, will you come to school tomorrow? This you are making a question sentence for future, simple future, negative form. Will you come to school tomorrow? Am, is, are, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, going to verb. Example, are you going to come to school tomorrow? For example, negative form of the simple future tense: don't worry, I will not tell anyone your secret. Will not tell anyone your secret. It is simple future in the negative form. You are very slow, you will not finish your work on time. Will plus not and plus verb. We will not go anywhere if it rains. Then make questions for the situation with will. How we will make the question sentence? I think I don't have your phone number. Will you give me your phone number? You are asking question starting with the will. I can't understand this sum. Will you show me the, will you explain it to me? I am afraid of going out alone. Will you come with me? You are asking the question. Next is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense refers to an unfinished action or event that will be in progress at a time later than now. The future continuous tense is formed in this way. Children, see: affirmative, negative and interrogative. 3 examples I am giving you. Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. In negative form, subject plus will not be plus verb plus ing. Will, interrogative, will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing. You can see over here the examples are given. We will be writing the test tomorrow. First, affirmative, will be. Subject will be plus verb plus ing. Next is negative, subject will not be, verb plus ing. We will not be writing the test tomorrow. And interrogative, will you be writing? Will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing. Will you be writing the test tomorrow? All the three examples are here. Now fill in the blanks with the future tense. How you will write the bracket? Here the verb is given have. At 3 o'clock we will be having the last class for the day. Will plus be plus have plus ing. At midnight everyone will be sleeping. Sleep is your verb. Will be sleep plus ing. Understood the rule, children? Now one example of negative form of the future tense. Will not be plus verb plus ing. There is a bus strike tomorrow. The buses will not be running tomorrow. Not and run are given. Negative run is the verb. So will not be, will plus not be plus run plus ing. This year I will not be attending the summer camp. Not and attend. So attend is your verb. Will not be plus attend plus your ing form of verb. Make questions in the future continuous tense. One of the example I will tell you. You wait bus stop at 8 a.m. These are the sentences given. Now you have to frame it. With the question sentence you have to make. Will. Question sentence starts with will plus subject. You be. Then question mark. Will you be waiting at the bus stop at 8 a.m.? He sleep at 10 a.m. Will he be sleeping at 10 a.m.? Question mark.